Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Aries. To be honest, this is the third time I'm doing your reading. This is going to be the third, and first two times the old person showed up very strong. So I shut it down. I'm still hoping we can get something different. If not, then it is what it is. Let's see who wants to show up for you. Let's start. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aries, oh, the Fool is here. That's a good thing. Okay. All right. Okay, Aries, the cards I have on the table are the Two of Pentacles, the Fool, the Three of Cups, Ace of Swords, Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Sun, and the Justice card. And, oh my God, here comes back somebody from your past. But I mean, I did the entire reading very hopeful, but the minute I turn the deck around and see what we have, the Six of Cups. All right, so we're going to put this card here and we'll read it the way it is now, doesn't matter. So it seems somebody is feeling very depressed here. Center of my spread is the Four of Cups. So either they are feeling bad that the offer was not given or offer was not taken, or somebody is feeling very rejected, dejected, sad, lonely, and wanting to rectify things here. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you, Aries. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. From what I'm feeling, Aries, looking at these cards, somebody is going back and forth in their mind, trying to figure out how to have a new beginning, how to have a reconciliation, how to get the truth out about what's happening here. Okay. Maybe they don't know how you feel, Aries. Maybe they're wondering whether, you have somebody else now or there's a third party in the mix. One more from here. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's begin our reading. And the first card I have here for you, Aries, is I'm not your so secret admirer. You know that I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. So even if you've blocked them, Aries, they have ways and means, maybe through friends or whatever, they are checking up, or maybe they have, false accounts or something, but they're managing to keep a watch on you. So according to them, you know that they watch you. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am, I'm always thinking of you day and night. I do see somebody sitting here, not accepting anything else, not happy with their life, but sitting in a lot of sadness and regret. All right, so I have got these. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman, oblique man, that every man, oblique woman, desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that now you can count on me too. I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? So maybe most of my Aries are saying that nowadays, that hey, listen, it didn't work out now. I'll see you again next lifetime if I have to. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love that I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and then you will then master self-love. Okay. It was a very deep message. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, also, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me when I try and move on. When I do try and move on, I'm haunted even more. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what's happened between us, you are still the one. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Yes, there is some truth that this person wants to say, Aries. There is that Ace of Swords here. There is some truth that this person wants to say, but maybe didn't. And that's why they have a lot of regret and sorrow. Let's start with an angel blessing card, and let's see how my angels can bless this reading, and then we'll start clarifying the cards. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries gang, please. Emotions. Very, very dark place, whoever this person is. Aries, I hope it's not you. Somebody is going through some, maybe almost like the dark night of the soul. Very dark, deep emotion. Somebody is facing their own inner self, their inner child, their inner insecurities, self-worth. So what's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? Two of Pentacles. Yes, somebody was immature in the past. Maybe they were juggling, maybe they were not deciding, they were playing games. Oh, I have one more card. I found one more card. Let me just read this out quickly as well. I realize that I can't run from you because you're deep within me. Okay, I realize that I haven't read this one, I think. I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror of the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. All right. So yes, somebody was, yes, very passionate about the connection. They thought this was only a sexual connection, and maybe they would kind of have this and have that and have everything else. And so this was like really, really immature behavior on their part because they were juggling, right? But now the Fool is here, which is, yes, now they want. Now this person has realized where their real passion lies. Now they want to have a fresh new beginning. Now they want this 10 of Cups. They want to take a leap of faith into this connection. 3 of Cups, Spirit. Yes, now they want to now release whatever was toxic in this connection. Now they're going within. I think they're spending time with themselves, checking on their own emotions and realizing that this was my person. And now they want to release the toxicity from this connection and hopefully get a reconciliation or a reunion with you, I guess. Or vice versa. 7 of... This card was actually in another deck. I don't know how it got stuck in this one, but it popped out, so I'm going to read it. It's the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. So this person never really put in the investment, it seems, in the past. They never put in the work, they never invested, and now they're realizing that was the toxicity, that, they took this maybe connection for granted and treated, this person was emotionally either manipulative or they had trouble showing their emotions. They were always hiding their emotions. They didn't believe in love. They believed more in passion, I think. And now they're realizing, oh my God, what did I do? Yes, now they're realizing how selfish they've been. Oh my God. So this is how this person is viewing themselves, this masculine. Aries, this could be you, this could be a cross watcher, I don't know. And when I say masculine, it doesn't mean the man in the connection, okay? So somebody here in this connection was very emotionally manipulative. They never stepped up to the plate, they were ungrounded and seemed very selfish as well. Now they've realized all their mistakes of how they didn't invest in this connection. Now this person wants to release all this toxic behavior and try maybe for a reunion. So what's this Ace of Swords, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. One more. Ace of Swords. I think some truth came out. Some truth came out about this connection, and about maybe them having many options, or there was so much confusion in this connection. Things totally stopped after that. Whatever was revealed, whatever secrets came out here, maybe about, like I said, their options or whatever, the other person, I think, totally put a spoke in that wheel of the Wheel of Fortune and said, stop, I am going to guard myself now. I'm not going to fight this with you anymore, and brought in stagnancy. So Four of Cups, Spirit. Four of Cups. Four of Cups. Yes, now this masculine feels boundaries have been now put into place and they've lost their partner forever. This person is very depressed that they lost their chance with this Queen of Pentacles, because now this Queen of Pentacles doesn't believe in them anymore, doesn't trust them anymore, and has very, very high, boundaries around them. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Three of Pentacles. Oh, there's so much of stress regarding this. They feel they made a very foolish mistake. They feel maybe they were, trying to work with multiple people, or they had friends with benefits or something like that, and they're realizing, yes, I was a cheat, I lied, this was so foolish of me to have done this. Now they're repenting. This is like that emotions card, dark, absolutely dark emotions. They can't sleep at night because their own bad deeds now they're having to face, and about why this connection has now ended. So King of Wands, Spirit. King of Wands. They want to take action now, Aries. They want to take action now. They don't want to work with anyone else. They've decided that, I'm not going to be a player maybe anymore. They are still very passionate about the connection. They want to come and reveal some truth now, but I don't think they're very hopeful. Even though they're not hopeful here, they feel they're not sure whether you will agree or their wishes will come true. They're still going to push for it. They still want to have this reunion. They want to have their Four of Wands. They want to have their stability back with you. Why? Because you're the only one who's the sunshine of their life. You make them very happy. Sun, Spirit. Sun. Sun. But I don't think the feminine is agreeing here. The feminine is already in a very, very good place for themselves, showing up as the Empress and saying, hey, I'm still angry with you. I don't want to have a brand new start with you. So whether you guys are saying this to each other or energetically, even if you mumble or think of it to say, hey, X, no way, I'd rather have new or whatever. So they're feeling this energy that, you've really glowed up, the feminine has glowed up now, and still very upset and angry, not wanting to have anything with this masculine again, in a very, very happy and vibrant place for yourself. Or maybe that's the way you're showing yourself on social media, or, friends are telling them or something like that. So Justice in reverse. Why is the Justice in reverse, Spirit? You can try as much as you want, Aries. You can try as much as you want. I think this is the feminine here saying this relationship was very unbalanced. I've now become stronger. I don't want to fight for this anymore. But whoever this masculine is still trying to manifest this connection to not shut down. They want to leave this chapter open. They are very, very bored and discontent without you in their life, Aries. They are going to sooner than later rush in. They want to come and heal this broken heart. This person wants to rush in, do something. Am I right, Spirit? Give me one more for this Knight of Swords. Yes, some communication is coming, Aries. Some communication. Expect some communication from somebody here. Somebody from your past. If it hasn't come in already, it's coming soon. They are reaching the end of their, patience here. Yeah, they want you to drop the burden. They want this fight to end. They want things to be brought back into. The only thing stopping them right now is maybe energetically feeling that their partner does not want them or is still very angry. Somebody really wants to come out of this stuck place with you now. Okay, so that's all I have for you. The angels seem to be behind this. So whatever you want, Aries, be very, very clear in your prayers right now. Okay? All right. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.